Advanced brake technology that mirrors the braking of the tow vehicle for safe, smooth stops. Works on trailers with electric or hydraulic brakes. Digital power and 7 sensitivity settings with intuitive vertical manual slide. Short-proof protection for up to 8 trailer brakes. Simple installation with separate components that mount wherever you want them and no tools or drilling required. Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation makes your towing experience simpler and more rewarding through innovation and value. Hopkins offers a variety of towing solutions including vehicle wiring kits, adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems, and much more. Today, more than 40% of retail category sales are generated from Hopkins innovations. Hopkins INSIGHT brake control works on trailers with electric or hydraulic brakes. Features advanced proportional technology that mirrors the braking of the tow vehicle for safe, smooth stops, and short-proof protection for up to 8 trailer brakes. With multiple mounting locations in your vehicle, the separate components mount where you want them, with no drilling required. Allows you to keep your eyes on the road, with controls in easy reach. Includes digital power and sensitivity settings. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality, price was right. I thought it came with a quick plug and ended up ordering it also. Works great with my Hopkins 7-way on my '99 Silverado 2500.